Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Sandhu and I provide sessions related to IELTS regularly on my YouTube channel. Guys, in this session I'll be discussing vocabulary related to the topic health. So why do you need this vocabulary? Guys, in IELTS and in IELTS writing, there are 4 assessment criteria for task 2. First of all, task response, understanding the question thoroughly and answering it. Task response, followed by task response we have coherence and cohesion. That means the ideas should be logical and you should use connectors properly. Third one is grammatical range and accuracy. You should take care of the structures as well as the tenses. And the last one is lexical resource, which we are going to discuss in this video. Lexical resources mein we need to focus on vocabulary. So if you get a topic related to health, any question related to health, you must use topic based vocabulary. If you'll be using topic based vocabulary, you'll get benefited. So dekho, everything, if for essay writing you get this course out of 6, and there are 4 assessment criteria that means 1.5 each. So for lexical resource also we have 1.5. If you will use topic based vocabulary, if you will use this vocabulary in any question related to health, you will get 1.5 out of 1.5. That will be surety when it comes to lexical resources, and that you need to take care of, and you need to use all these words carefully and correctly. Let us get started, guys. So guys, the first word here is disorder. Okay, so the first word here is disorder. And guys, disorder can be used for condition, illness, disease. So if you want to use the word disease, you can use illness, you can use condition, you can use disorder, you can use illness. Either of these 4 can be used. So for example, we have one of the sentences here. Many patients in AIIMS have been suffering from the same disorder, or many patients in India have been suffering from this disorder, have been suffering from this condition, have been suffering from neurological problems. So what is this? Neurological illnesses. Okay? So breathing related illnesses, due to increase in air pollution, various breathing related illnesses are occurring. Okay, so कुछ भी ऐसा sentence आप बना सकते हो, this is related to health. Now we have the second word here, and the second word is diagnose. Diagnose का मतलब क्या होता है कि कोई प्रॉब्लम है, कोई डिसीज है, उसको डायग्नोज करना, डिटेक्ट कर लेना, determine कर लेना. So what can we use? We can use the synonyms identify. We can also use determine. We can use detect as well. Okay, but I would suggest you to use these 3 firstly. ठीक है, so diagnose, she had been diagnosed with COVID-19. अभी recently पता चला, one of my aunts, okay, one of my maternal aunts has been diagnosed with COVID-19. ठीक है, so aunts क्यों, one of my aunts क्यों, बहुत सारों में से एक aunt. Okay, one of my aunts has been diagnosed with COVID-19. Okay, so this is the second word here, and definitely an important one. Talking about the third word, and that too related to health topic. So we have the third word here, and guys, the third word is rampant. So rampant basically होता है जब कोई condition uncontrollable हो. ओके, सो उसको रैम्पेंट बोलते हैं. अनहैम्पर्ड, अनकंट्रोल्ड, वाइडस्प्रेड. अनकंट्रोल्ड, अनहैम्पर्ड, वाइडस्प्रेड. सो व्हाट डू वी कॉल इट? वी कॉल इट रैम्पेंट. ठीक है, सो अब क्या बोल सकते हैं कि अनकंट्रोल्ड हो गए सिचुएशन. कौन सी सिचुएशन? अभी हम कोविड-19 की बात कर सकते हैं. सो व्हाट इज रैम्पेंट? रैम्पेंट इज बेसिकली एन एडजेक्टिव हियर. वी कैन आल्सो से द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ ओबीस पीपल इन आवर कंट्री हैज बिकम रैम्पेंट due to unhealthy eating habits. Yes, it is true. The population of obese people in our country has become rampant due to unhealthy eating habits. So you can use the word rampant whenever you want to say uncontrolled, unhampered, widespread, or even epidemic. Now fourth word here is impaired. 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 And where do we use the word impaired? Disabled. ठीक है, कोई डिसेबल होगा तो उसके लिए क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? वी कैन यूज impaired. हैंडीकैप्ड, कोई हैंडीकैप्ड है, हैंडीकैप्ड के लिए भी वी कैन यूज डिसेबल्ड और impaired. एंड challenged, physically challenged as well we can used we can use here. Okay, so impaired means disabled, handicapped, physically challenged. Many children from Odisha's rural areas, उनकी बात कर सकते हैं, are physically impaired. और कह सकते हैं drinking impairs a person abilities to think sensibly. So drinking जो है वो disable कर देती है एक person की ability to think sensibly. So guys, the fifth word here is obese. What is obese? You must have heard obesity. Obese का मतलब होता है people who are fat. ठीक है, so fat को obese बोलते हैं. Overweight, chubby, so we can call it obese. Now इसके लिए sentence that can be made here is, let's say the population of obese people, ठीक है, the population of obese people is increasing day by day due to consumption of junk foods. ठीक है, so population of obese people is increasing day by day due to the increasing consumption of junk food or due to the inclined consumption of junk food. We can say like this. Coming to the sixth word here, and the sixth one is narcotics. बहुत बार हम word use करते हैं ड्रग्स. ठीक है, सो ड्रग्स यूज करते हैं, उसे नार्कोटिक्स भी बोल सकते हैं, पिल्स भी बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है, स्टिम्युलेंट, इवन सेडेटिव. सो व्हाट आर नार्कोटिक्स? नार्कोटिक्स स्पेशली अगर मैं बात करूं तो ये यूज होता ही टर्म ड्रग्स से रिलेटेड है. टोबैको हो गया, और मे बी वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द ड्रग्स नॉट फॉर मेडिसिन्स, वी आर यूजिंग इट इन दी नेगेटिव मैनर ओनली. ड्रग्स से रिलेटेड ही हम इसे यूज करें, अदरवाइज इट कैन बी यूज मेडिसिनल पिल्स, और अगर हम उस सेंस में यूज कर रहे हैं विल बी सेइंग मेडिसिनल पिल्स, otherwise we'll say narcotics, drugs, stimulant, pills, sedative. Okay, so sedative pain killers बोल सकते हैं, medicines को medicine बोल सकते हैं, pills बोल सकते हैं, but for the negative term we use narcotics, drugs. Okay, so the use of tobacco is spreading, the use of tobacco is spreading widely than any other narcotics or stimulants. So क्या हो रहा है? Use of tobacco is spreading widely than any other narcotics or stimulants. ठीक है, so we can use the word like this. Coming to the seventh one, and the seventh one is infect. Infect means affect करना, ठीक है, और poison करना, किसी चीज को poison कर देना, affect कर देना, infect कर देना, वो सेम ही बात है. And इसके लिए the words we can use, various students got infected by this rare virus. Okay, so various students in Delhi University, कुछ भी आप नेम ले सकते हो, got infected by this rare virus, by this rare virus. Let us proceed to the seventh word here, and the seventh one is addiction. Addiction क्या होता है? किसी चीज के ऊपर डिपेंडेंस होना या हैबिट हो जाना, that is addiction. This is our eighth word here, and the eighth word is addiction is like dependence or we can say हैबिट, ठीक है। सो ओवर डिपेंडेंस और एडिक्शन ऑफ, ओवर डिपेंडेंस और एडिक्शन ऑफ एनीथिंग इज इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ। किसी भी चीज का ओवर एडिक्शन, ओवर डिपेंडेंस, एडिक्शन इज इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ, ऑफ एनीथिंग इज इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ, इज फेटल टू हेल्थ। फेटल मतलब जिससे डेथ भी हो सकती हो, ठीक है। लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग को हम फेटल भी बोलते हैं। दिस वर्ड कैन ऑल्सो बी यूज्ड इन एसे राइटिंग। जब भी हेल्थ रिलेटेड टॉपिक आता है वी कैन इजिली यूज फेटल। फेटल को लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग भी बोलते हैं, डेंजरस भी बोलते हैं। सो कोविड-19 इज फेटल फॉर हेल्थ, ओके। लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग, सॉरी, ठीक है। और हार्मफुल, डेंजरस, डिलीटीरियस, कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हैं इसमें। नाउ this is the bonus word here. So guys, so the 10th word here is contagious. If something is known as contagious, it means it is highly communicable. It is infecting others easily, highly infectious as well, okay. So COVID-19 is highly contagious in nature. COVID-19 is highly contagious in nature. ये तो सबको ही पता है. Now people know so many words related to health because of COVID-19 in India. Okay. One more word for you guys and the word is deterioration. Deterioration मतलब health की condition में deteriorate होना, मतलब कि खराब होना. Deterioration इसको बोल सकते हैं decay in health, decline. Okay, the quality of food available in government school canteen. The quality of food available in government schools canteen has deteriorated a lot during the past decade. The quality of food available in government schools canteen has deteriorated a lot in the past decades. ओके, सो कुछ पास्ट डेकेड्स में क्या हुआ है, डिटीरियोरेट हुआ है क्वालिटी ऑफ फूड अवेलेबल इन स्कूल्स कैंटीन, ठीक है. सो दिस इज द वे वी कैन यूज. एंड गाइस, नाउ वन लास्ट वर्ड फॉर यू विच आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू राइट हियर, बट द वर्ड इज एलिविएट. एलिविएट मतलब होता है पेन को ईज करना, रिलीव करना, सूद करना. सो I had to bear the pain. I had to bear the pain owing to stones. ठीक है, owing to a minor stone in my kidney. And what happened after taking the injection, after getting the injection from the doctor, the pain was alleviated or the pain was eased. कुछ ऐसा आप बोल सकते हो. नहीं तो her pain couldn't be prevented completely by any medicine. Her pain couldn't be prevented completely by any medicine. It was only alleviated by some extent. So completely alleviated, her pain couldn't be completely prevented by any medicine. So completely prevent नहीं हो पाया. It was only alleviated by some extent. ये खाली alleviate हो पाया था by some extent. So guys, this is the vocab related to health, and I'll suggest you to use each of these words in any essay related to health, and you can write the sentence and submit to me in the comment section. I'll definitely answer back and I'll tell you whether the sentence is correct or wrong. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you again in the next video of mine. Bye bye everyone. See you again.